Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And if you're a cruiser or viewer, hi, welcome. And hello to all my newbies and my honeybees. That's what I call my subscribers. And today I got a package. And I don't know what's in the package. So we're going to open it up. Okay. Alright, let's see. It's a box. It's a small box. And this is a wireless doorbell. A wireless doorbell kit. Let's check it out. Okay. I need a knife just for the box. Okay. All right. Let's look up close. This is the wireless doorbell kit. Has a nice design. Let's see what it does. It has a 12-month warranty. And this information right here basically shows you the distance that it can go up to almost 100 feet as long as there's no walls in between. The IP is as much waterproof that it can take, which is good. It has a battery indicator right there, as well as it comes with tools. It can go up to almost 100 foot. Okay, this is what's in the box. It comes with screws and caps in case you want to screw it into the wall. The 3M double-sided sticky tape. That's to hold the transmitter on the wall or on the door. It comes with a screwdriver right there, which you're going to need to use to place the battery. This is a watch battery. It's a 2032, which is a normal watch battery, easy to get anywhere. Okay, there's the instructions, the receiver, and okay, this is the receiver. On the side of the receiver, there's where you adjust the chimes at the top, and also right there is where you adjust the volume. And you just plug it into the wall, and you hit that transmitter, and it will come out the receiver. Okay, now I'm going to put the battery inside the transmitter. And to do that, there's a little slot right here. And you take the flathead screwdriver, and bang, it's open. And that black part right there is where you're going to put the battery. And that is a 2032 3V battery. And it comes with it. You just put it in easily, just like that. It's easy to put the top back on. Just line it up and then just snap it back in place. You'll know it's active when you see the pretty light right there in the middle. Okay, now it's time to add the double-sided sticky tape to the back. And this is the 3M, which is a sturdy double-sided sticky tape. Or you can use the screws and find some way to put a bracket. So I don't see any bracket here. Okay, it's plugged in, and I got it in the dark, so you can see how it looks in the dark. And you see I can still see the light. There we go. And now I have it filmed with light. On a receiver, you just plug it in, and right there it will light to let you know it's activated. On the side, you can adjust the chimes, which is 38, or the volume, which is 3 levels. And let's plug it in. I like that it's a nice, sleek design. That it does have a light. That the transmitter is very comfortable in the hand. which is great if someone has arthritis, but is also lightweight and it feels comfortable. I also like that it has that 3M double-sided sticky tape. That's basically one of the strongest sticky tapes that you can get and still be able to remove it. I think that it comes with everything that you need.
The battery. So if you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more of me and my things and my stuff.